Hello all, welcome. In this video we will see how we can get the nth row from a table. This is one of the important question as well in the interview, and this question mostly asked to those who have nearly 2+ experience. So how we can select the nth row from a table in SQL? I have this table here, that is the user table. It has some users name, gender, age, city column are there. So now here fourth row, if I will execute it, so at the fourth row Rajesh is there, that is Rajesh, gender is male, age 29 and city is Pune. We need to select exactly this row, right? And how we can select that, now we will see it. We can do it using the row number. Now we will see how we can do that. Not the update, it will be select star from user, okay, and then here we can use the row number here. Okay, in this case we will not use the partition, we will use only order by. If I will use order by name, in that case what will happen, I will take it as row, right? Let's comment this one. Now see, Rajesh position got changed, it's at now 6th position. If I will in the output, if I will say like this, with common table expression as a result, and I will try to select this one from the common table expression. In that case it will be difficult to get the 4th position, right? Yes, now I'm getting Pooja. What in exact we are looking for? We are looking for the Rajesh because it is at the 4th number. So we need to play some trick here. What if I will order by any of the column here, its position will get changed. So trick is here by null. Just say here select null and see Rajesh is there. When we are saying in the order by select null, then what row number is doing, it's increasing the counter by 1 each time, and it's saying 1 2 3 4, it's giving the row number here, right? So it will not change the order of any record inside the table. Now for me, what is the 4th row here? This one, and what it exactly get is 4th. So now it's easy to get any row. If it's 7th row we need to get, we can say 7. Alright, so this is the trick which we can apply here to get the exact nth row from the table. Thank you everyone. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone. If you guys have any suggestion, you can provide your suggestion inside the comment box.